We're interested in checking the speed of our internet connection, and there are a couple of ways to do this, but I'm going to show you one. The website that I use is called speedtest.net. The way that speedtest.net works is that it sends a package of data from a computer to a server somewhere else in the world, and it measures the speeds at which that package of data gets uploaded and downloaded. So here's how speed test works. As you can see, we have a map at the top, and if we zoom out, you can see that it shows we're currently sitting in Cape Town. And so typically I pick a server that's somewhere in Europe to test the link between here and Europe. Any server will do. Here's one in Lyon in France. So here's the package of data being sent and received. And here speed test is measuring the download speed over a period of time, and you can see that that's about 0.5 megabit per second. That's fairly consistent. This seems to be taking a little bit longer than normal, but you can see the progress over here. Let me just check we haven't lost connectivity. No, that seems fine. Download test error. Okay, let's try again. It's not uncommon to run into errors with speed test, but generally you do get there eventually. Okay, let's try that again. Let's try a different server this time. Okay, this measure over here on the left, the ping test, measures what's called latency, and that's responsiveness in the connection. In South Africa, latency, a good latency is somewhere between 2 and 300, and then anywhere north of 300 is starting to get a little bit slow. Okay, so here we have our results. The latency is pretty good, it's between 2 and 300. The download speed is 0.71 megabits per second, and the upload speed is typically lower than the download speed, and that's 0.37 megabits per second. Okay, hope that was helpful.